Feeling bloated? Low energy? Or catching colds often? Ginger might be your new best friend. Let's talk about this powerful little root. Welcome back to Health Talk. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful benefits of ginger and how you can easily add it to your daily routine. Ginger contains gingerol, a natural anti-inflammatory compound. It can help relieve joint pain and swelling. Ginger can speed up digestion and reduce bloating, nausea, and even motion sickness. Feeling a cold coming on? Ginger's antimicrobial properties help strengthen your immune system. Studies showed ginger may reduce menstrual pain and sore muscles after exercise. Some research suggests ginger can help manage blood sugar and support metabolic health. Use it fresh in tea, grated in meals, or take it as a supplement. Just don't go overboard, 1 to 2 grams a day is enough. Too much ginger can cause heartburn or interact with medications. If you're pregnant or on blood thinners, check with your doctor first. Ginger is a game changer for your health. Just 1 cup a day can make a difference. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a natural health boost. Did you enjoy today's health tips? Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more health insights. Comment below with your thoughts, questions, or health tips. Share this video with friends who could benefit from a healthier lifestyle.